Hi guys, it's me Hamza again, and today I'm gonna be drawing a picture of Tweety. So Tweety the bird from the movie. So here you go, watch me. Last time I drew Bugs Bunny, so now we're gonna be drawing this right here. I think this must be very easy because it's like a round per thing. Okay, and then that, and then here, and then there, and there, there. Here, and there. Then that, and that.
Speak, Hamza, speak.
And then, yeah guys, that's how it looks. It's round. It's roundish. So, yeah, I can color it if I want.
Yeah, color it.
Actually, that'd be a good idea. Put half the yellow. You see? It's wonderful. Tweety the bird looks like a really easy character to draw because it's like a rounded head. Bugs Bunny was kind of hard. Spider-Man or something like that should be easy also. I don't know. That's Tweety, and I'll draw I do. There, and the mouth is orange. There, drop around it. There, guys, I drawn it already.
Show it to us. Wow, that's nice, Hamza. That's very fast, yeah? Very good.